everything, even though nami ngiyazi South Africa ngi-aerobic.
Thanks for that. Yeah.
Ngalento ngingaziphatha ngakhona ethole yokubuza amantombazana ma-drugs everything. Yeah.
Going back there, ngifuna ukwazi i-HIV yakho ntwana when you on top, i-HIV bekuyini khas wama-drugs?
As you know, bengi-Muslim ngo-reserve.
Ngiyakhumbula.
Yeah, ngingahasi ngingabhemi until accident ngoba but nginga-apologize everything, but uye umuntu oye wayenza ukuthi ngifike ngihasa ngibhema umushini ngoba there were sometimes ngithola i-call up